The wind blew off the fascia, not a problem. We are here to replace it. Buenas, three brothers are roofing. On today's project, it's about aluminum fascia fell down. So right here is the piece, and it came down from all the way up there. A little bit hard to see it. Okay, so we will make a new piece, and we will install. It came down from there. Not a problem. Three brothers are roofing. The solution. And we have everything ready right here. So we have the old piece. We're gonna use it as our template. Okay, right here we have our twin coil. As usual, we provide 2 years labor guarantee on every project. So on this one, we will provide labor guarantee. If anything happen, not a problem. Three Brothers, a roofing company, will be responsible once the homeowners give us a chance to work with them. We will guarantee our project. Here we go. Okay, step by step. So this time is very easy because we have the old piece, and so we use the old piece as our template. We just do our measurements. Okay, so right here we are bending ½ inch, and we put in our brake. Okay, and as usual, we bend it ½ inch, and it will make a double. It will be much better and will be stronger. Okay, this is how we do it step by step. Three brothers are roofing, making new custom aluminum flashing. It will go on the fascia wood. So the wood is exposed, not a problem. We make a new one. Okay, so subscribe to our channel, give us a comment right below the video. Follow us on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. We are on those social media. So for commercial or residential, not a problem. We have the experience, over 25 years in business. Okay, so this video is showing step by step how to replace aluminum flashing that was damaged from the heavy wind. Okay, and the new piece, it looks ready. We just have to do another bend. So step by step we are ongoing making the new aluminum. All right, and it looks nice and clean. It looks perfect. So next step, we have to do the trimming, and we can use the old one for our sample, and it will make our job a little bit easy. Okay, this is the time where we do our trimming. That will go all the way up to the hip. And next step, bring it up and nail it, and we'll be done. Okay, and now we are going with our new aluminum fascia. Okay, and here we're going with our brand new piece. Now it's going up to the roof. Okay. Okay. Okay, here we're going with the replacement. Okay, and fits perfect. And now we will add some caulking. Okay, as I mentioned, we apply some caulking just for security, so that way we'll never fly again. One of the best solutions we use. And the user, we provide guarantee with our labor. We provide 2 years. If something happened with our aluminum, not a problem. Just give us a call back and we will put another new piece with no question. This is the guarantee Three Brothers Roofing provide. Okay, and fits perfect. Okay, step by step, we made it our aluminum. We did a test, we are caulking, and now we are installing. We add some trim nails. Okay, so if you're watching this video, if you have some problem, not a problem, give us a call with the solution. It looks perfect with no question. Okay, looks nice and clean. Three Brothers Roofing, the solution. Another project completed by a Three Brothers Roofing company. That's it for today. See you guys next time. Chop chop.